Okay, for number 5, we're trying to find the sum of all the forces in the y direction. Now, this is going to be a lot of calculations mainly, and solving like algebraic problems. So we have t cosine of 30 plus t cosine 30. So there's 2t cosine of 30. And then we have that it's subtracted by mg, or the mass times the gravity, minus f equal to 0. So now that we have this basic equation to help us find the sum of all the forces in the y direction, we can start solving. So since we have 2t cosine of 30, then we can do this. Minus mg minus f equals 0. Okay, so now we can start simplifying and plugging in our known values. So we have 2t cosine of 30 is equal to 6 times 10 plus 410. So these are our values. The force we know is 410, the mass is 6, and the gravity we know is 10. So this is our new equation now. So we can divide both sides by 2 cosine of 30. So we can simplify, so we can cross this out. So we have that t is equal to 470 divided by 2 cosine of 30. So what we're solving for is t now. So we have 470 divided by 2, square root of 3 over 2. This is a 3. Because cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. So we can cross out the 2's, and we have 470 divided by square root of 3. T. And this is approximately 270 newtons. So that's how you find the answer for this question.